all these gifts. The last one is from Ate Juenelle, Kuya John, and from Ninang Micah. Let's see what it is. Wow! It's a collection of boxes. Let's see what's inside. Let's start with the first one. Surprise. Let's see what we get. We got Mint Sakura, Mint Sakura. Wow. The table. Let's open the package. Yeah. Wow. Here's the second one.
Okay.
Let's see what we get. We got rainbow candy. We got rainbow candy. All has a tape. Let's see it. Wow! Let's see the third one. We got cream rose. Yeah. Let's see what's the fourth one. We got snow strawberry.
Hello? Brother, you know this magic building, opposite building?
Strawberry. Let's see what's the last one. It should be this one. We got it! For my host magician, thank you, Toti Ninong. Thank you all for this gift. I love you all. Bye!